Come test drive this 2008 Nissan Altima. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this car is a truly winning combination. A quick and nimble vehicle emphasizing safety, style, and fun. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, front and rear cup holders, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.